Hardness testing is an indispensable inspection method for metallic materials in many industries. Prosec's family of portable hardness testers are easy to use and allow precision hardness testing to be carried out directly on site where it is most needed. Equostat 3 is an unmatched, non-destructive test instrument which enables the user to achieve consistent measurements when compared to other portable static hardness testers in the market. Here is an overview of the Equostat 3. Ecotip 3 indicating device, Equostat 3 probe, Equostat 3 probe cable, connection ports, status LED, on-off button, LCD display, keypad, battery compartment. Equostat 3 is based on the traditional Rockwell indentation method. The hardness value is calculated by monitoring the indentation depth, which is measured in micrometers. A deeper penetration indicates a softer material, and in the case of harder materials, the penetration will be shallower. The results are then converted to the relevant hardness scales such as Rockwell B, Rockwell C, Brinell, and Vickers. You may choose to comply with either ASTM or DIN standards for your conversions. Prior to testing your sample, make sure to perform test measurements on the Equostat 3 test block. Ensure that the test block is on a solid base and that the device is perpendicular to the surface. The test sample needs to be clean and dry. We recommend at least 3 measurements on the test block based on the governing standard. As Equostat 3 uses the micro-indentation method for hardness testing, sample preparation prior to testing is vital for good results. The surface of the sample must be level, flat, smooth and clean. It is very important that the surface of the sample meets the required maximum roughness of 2 microns for the best accuracy. Equostat 3 is easy to use. First, you need to choose the desired hardness scale. Then select the appropriate material. The Equostat 3 displays the signal curve as well as the procedure guidance in real time for a more accurate and responsive measurement. Press and hold down the Equostat 3 probe until the device asks you to release. Slowly release the pressure and the measurement is complete. If you need the results in other hardness scales, simply press F3 and select the required scale. If you need to delete a measurement during a series, use the arrows to highlight the measurement and simply press the delete button. This enables you to achieve consistently repeatable results. To ensure that the instrument is functioning correctly, please clean the probe regularly with isopropanol or acetone. To make sure you achieve the correct result, the thickness of the sample has to be 10 times higher than the penetration depth. This chart is used to determine the minimum thickness required for your sample based on the estimated hardness range. In this example, the material under test has a hardness of roughly 200 on the Vickers scale. We therefore need a minimum sample thickness of 300 microns for an expected penetration of 30 microns. The Equostat 3 works well in situ as well as in a laboratory environment. You may use Equostat 3 on many different samples regardless of the geometry, such as flat, round or hollow. One application that is especially important for the oil and gas industry is the measurement of the heat affected zone on pipes. Equostat 3 is a suitable instrument for measuring the hardness of any pipe or cylindrical sample, in particular with materials such as steel, nickel-based alloys like Inconel and duplex type steel. A quick 1 or 2 point custom shift of the existing curve usually leads to a very good result when dealing with exotic materials. Vessels in general, for example pressure, condenser and heat exchangers, are manufactured and heat treated to a specific hardness in order to achieve the required performance level. Therefore, it is important to verify the hardness following the heat treatment process. Equostat 3 is the ideal portable device to carry out such testing with a maximum accuracy and repeatability without the need for taking samples away to a lab. Equostat 3 can handle both cold and hot rolled metal sheets. The hardness testing of metal rolls or steel coils with static hardness machines is difficult and very time-consuming. With Equostat 3, the long process of preparing samples such as sectioning, polishing, mounting, and then taking them to a lab for testing is no longer required. Equostat 3 allows you to carry out an inspection directly on the factory floor on every sample. A variety of feet and accessories are available to fit the geometries of the rolls. Simply select the most appropriate one for your application. The Equostat 3 can be used either as a freehand measuring unit or with a measuring clamp. This is especially useful when testing small parts, pipes and difficult geometries. Various clamp adapters are available and should be chosen to suit the application. The Equostat 3 comes with the data analysis software EchoLink. After launching the software, click the EchoTip 3 icon in the top left corner to connect to the instrument and transfer the measurement data. All of the measurements that were taken can now be downloaded and displayed. You can expand the view by clicking on the expand arrows. Here you can see the details of your measurement series. Most of the functions like save, open and print work the same way as with any other program. EchoLink also allows you to easily convert your test results to other hardness scales. In addition to that, you can edit diverse other settings. Data can be exported by using copy or export. You can also save your measurements as an Excel file. EchoLink will automatically show a message next to the help menu when a software update is available. The Equostat 3 test instrument can also be connected directly to a PC or laptop via a USB cable. The measurement procedure is the same as using the EchoTip 3 indicating device. We hope you enjoy working with Equostat 3. For more technical information, applied standards or any other questions, please contact your local ProSec representative or visit our website.